this video, we are going to review how to update your BotX software that you have downloaded off of the ReadyArc website. Step 1, we are going to place the USB drive in the pendant, and then on the pendant screen at the top right corner is the hamburger menu, and we'll click Settings, and then along the left side we'll click System and URCaps, and we will click the plus button and select USB disk and our new upgrade of 1.12.9 and select Open. From here, you will need to restart your robot in order to save the BotX software update. Now that your robot has restarted, we want to check the installation tab here across the top. Click Installation, URCaps, BotX configuration, and we want to double check that our URCap version is correct. And now you can remove the USB and your upgrade is complete.